What up guys, Matt6 here, and today we are continuing the series for crypto for beginners. In this video I'm going to share with you guys how to create an Uphold account. It's kind of like a Coinbase account, except for I personally like it better, and I suggest you watch this entire video before you start creating your account, so that way I can tell you a little bit of information about what information you need and what Uphold is about, to see if you even want to create an Uphold account. Now, if you would like to create an Uphold account, it would be very awesome if you could click the link down below in the description. It's an affiliate link and it will show that I referred you to Uphold. Anyways guys, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you're going to come to while creating an account, if you click my link, you'll come to this page. Otherwise, you may go to Uphold's main page and click sign up. They also have an app if you would rather do it that way. Anyways, guys, let me show you how to do this. So the first thing you're going to need to do is tell them your email address. After that, you need to tell them what country you live in. After that, it may ask you for what state or province you live in, and then read the terms of service and the privacy policy. If you agree, select this box and click get started. After that, you're going to come here and need to create a password, and then you're going to need to tell them the country of residency again, as well as citizenship. So after that, you can go ahead and create your Uphold account. Now, I'm assuming that they have country of residency and citizenship different. Maybe you have dual citizenship or something. I'm not sure. I'll leave a link to their support page down below if you want more information about that. After that, click create your Uphold account. And now you'll come to this personal information page and you'll need to fill out a KYC. A KYC is know your customer. So basically, the federal government is having Uphold make sure they know who is trading these cryptocurrencies for tax purposes, as well as make sure that there is not one person using multiple Uphold accounts. You're supposed to have only one for one. You're also supposed to be 18 or older, and they can verify all this if they know this information. So you will need to give them their social security number. After that, they need to verify your phone number, so go ahead and put it on your phone. Read the terms of service and the privacy policy. If you agree, select the box and hit next. After that, you're going to need to verify your phone number. They'll text you a code and then put that code on the screen. After that, you're going to need to tell them your home address. And after that, you need to verify your email. So go to your email, verify it, and then they'll say, okay, help us to improve, and they say that we collect data and stuff. You can change this in your settings. All right, and there you go. Let's do this. After this, they want to say, how are you going to use Uphold? So I'm going to trade cryptocurrencies, and oh yeah, Uphold allows you to trade metals if you would like. You can also buy stocks if you wanted to, and it's really cool. After this, they're going to ask you your main source of income. Most people will probably say salary. After this, go ahead and say how much your income is. Just give a good estimate. And then how much do you expect to deposit into Uphold? So I put this information. Let's go ahead and hit next. After that, what's your employment status? Now you can select student or one of the above. And there you have it. You now have an Uphold account. So I like this because they do not require you to take a picture of your driver's license. However, they do ask for your social security number. If you're not comfortable with that, then you are unable to make an Uphold account. You're also supposed to be 18 in order to create an Uphold account. Now, when you log in, it may be possible that you come to a screen that looks like this with cards and stuff. Do not worry about this. This is their old dashboard. To get to the new dashboard, which is cheaper on fees, by the way, go ahead and hit try now up here. If you're on the app, you will not have an issue. Okay, now that you made an account, let me walk you through a little bit of what Uphold is. So Uphold is a great alternative for Coinbase. I personally prefer it over others. So one of the things that I really like here, and if you're using their mobile app, each one of these will be its own separate page on the app. But over here, you can go ahead and purchase from and to. They make it very, very simple. So I want to make it from my bank account or debit card and deposit into my Bitcoin account. And I can real easy and real simple. And then I can also say, well, I only want to buy $10 worth of Bitcoin. It'll automatically fill everything in. Or you can go down here and say, I want to buy a specific number of Bitcoin, and it will auto populate how much it is above. Now, one thing that I really like is maybe I want to trade not from my bank account, but from another cryptocurrency that also fluctuates in value. So let me pull up my Dogecoin here, and let's say I want to go from Dogecoin to Bitcoin. Now I have a few options. I can say how many of these Dogecoins I want to sell. Since I have 337 of them right here, I can do that. I can also select I want to sell half of it, 3/4 of it, or all of it. And I could also say, you know what, I want to sell $20 worth, and you have the option right here. And you also have the option to change your currency right here. Now what you could do is a one-time transaction right here, or you can do a repeated transaction. Let me show you how to do that. So in this example right here, I'm saying I want to trade $1.50 worth of XRP, whatever it happens to be worth at the time that it trades. You'll see that I have 600 some XRP. That's what I already own. So now I can change the frequency. So how often do I want it to repeat? In this case, I could say never repeat. It would be a one-time transaction. Do it daily, weekly, or monthly. So in this case, I'm going to say weekly. And what day do you want it to start? So maybe you don't want it to start today. Maybe you'd rather start on a Friday. And then when would you like it to end? Do you want it to go on forever? Or do you want it to be just for 1 month? Or instead of saying when it ends per day, you could say how many times do you want it to happen. You say, I want to do this 5 times and that's it. After that, you have the option to change it. It will give you a default one. And then you can review the repeat trade. After that, it's going to show you a summary. You could add a note if you wanted to and click confirm. So boom, bam, now once a week on Fridays, I will automatically take $1.50 out of my bank account and into XRP. And then let's say I wanted to cancel this. So all I would do is go to activity. On the very top, click repeat, and it'll show all my repeating things. As you can tell, I have a lot. That's because I trade about $30 every single week on Fridays to purchase about $1 of every coin that Uphold offers. Now that's my personal strategy. I do not actually suggest that strategy at all, but that's what I'm doing at the current moment. And it's kind of cool because every single week I'm auto investing and dollar cost averaging in, so it's really cool. And I do suggest that you would consider dollar cost averaging in with repeat trades out of your bank account if you can afford it. I'm not a financial advisor, but if you can afford it, consider doing it. Just small amounts is awesome. One thing that Uphold does right that Coinbase does not is there are no fees to deposit from your bank account into your Uphold account. On Coinbase, there are fees. So on this activity page, you can also see what you have done in the past, as well as the repeat trades that you have had, as well as your tax documents, and you can download your entire transaction history. Now let's talk about the limit trades. So limit trades, we'll go on over here and we'll click limit. And what we'll do is, let me set up an example. So let's say I want to sell 1 uni and I want to sell it at a certain price. So what I would do is go to the market and then search for uni. We got a Uniswap token right here, and now we can see what the price has been for the past hour, day, week, month, and year. So as you can see, in the past year, it topped out about $41.67 for 1 coin, and it's been going down lately. So now let's say I want to sell it whenever it reaches $20. Let's go on over here. Let's say I want to sell 1 Uniswap and I want to sell it for $20. So now I gotta select whether I wanted to buy or sell it. So I wanted to sell it. So I'm gonna click here, sell. So now I have 1 Uniswap coin, sell for greater to or equal than $20. Now Coinbase will put my order for 1 Uniswap to sell at $20. and it will not sell for anything lower. And then from here we can hit preview and confirm. And then same thing as repeats. If we wanted to, we could click activity, click limit, and here you can manage your limit transactions. The one thing that Uphold is doing is they're starting to do staking now. I do not know if this is going to be soft staking like Uphold. I hope it is, but there's a possibility that you may have to lock this up in order to stake, and then you have to hold it until it unlocks, and then you get all your rewards and stuff like that. Anyways, I'm not sure on that. It's still on a wait list. I did join the wait list. Leave a comment down below if you want to know more about it. So there's that. So I mentioned this already once before, but now I wanted to show you that on Uphold you can actually trade precious metals. All you need to do is slide this over or scroll down, and you can see your precious metals right here. You can trade universal gold, silver, palladium, or platinum. And that's not all. You can also trade stable coins, which are 1 for 1 equal to the dollar. You can also trade different national currencies if you wanted to. So if you wanted Argentino pesos, you could buy it right here, and if they go up and down in value, you could sell it back to your native currency. They also have utility tokens, which work very similar to cryptocurrency, and you can actually get some free basic attention tokens if you download the Brave browser. So one thing I do not like about Uphold is their tier system. So I don't know all the reasonings for using a tier system. I think it's something about being able to allow customers to trade a coin that they don't have enough of, just in case a whole bunch of it got withdrawn from one user into a different exchange. They need to make sure they keep a certain amount of crypto in one area. I'm not sure, but tier 3 is the only tier that allow you to deposit and withdraw and send from other exchanges or DeFi wallets. So if I wanted to withdraw a coin, I can only withdraw any coins that are on tier 3. I'll leave a link to this page in the description down below if you want to take a look into that deeper. Uphold also currently offers 2 environmental assets which help keep the earth greener and keep crypto greener. Links about these 2 assets will be in the description if you want to read further into these 2 coins. So another thing you can buy, which I don't have the option to in my state, is to transact with stocks right on Uphold. So you could buy some Tesla stock if you wanted to right off the website, and then the next day trade your Tesla stock for gold, and then the next day you trade that gold for Bitcoin, and then back to cash, back into your bank account. Uphold is really cool in that way because you can trade from anything to anything. It's pretty cool. So if you wanted to, you could trade Apple, Amazon, Disney, Facebook, and Bank of America and other stocks if you wanted to with Uphold. There's also a free play to earn game called Coin Hunt World. What it is sort of like Pokemon Go, except you're going around finding crates and answering trivia questions. If you get the trivia question correct, you'll be rewarded with some Bitcoin or Ethereum, and in the future they hope to increase that to different types of cryptocurrencies. And those rewards you get for answering the trivia questions get deposited straight into your Uphold account every Tuesday, as long as you have like more than $10 worth of that coin at the time, and if you don't, you'll just get it the next week. And another cool thing is you can check out the integrations right here if you wanted to. I highly suggest Accointing. Check out the videos I have of them. It's an amazing portfolio tracker to track all of your cryptocurrencies from all the exchanges. You have Coinbase, Uphold, MetaMask, KuCoin, Gate.io. You have all these things and you pull them together in one spot, and you can see all of your portfolio of all your cryptocurrencies all in one place, and that is free with unlimited transactions. And then if you use my code MattLong6, you can get 20% off of your crypto tax report with them, and you can just print off your taxes, add it to TurboTax, and boom bam, your cryptocurrency taxes are done. And well, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed learning how to create an Uphold account, as well as a little summary of what Uphold actually is. It's honestly my favorite crypto exchange for beginners, even more than Coinbase, but I have them both because I love that Coinbase does the learn to earn feature. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what videos I should do next. Do you have any questions? Do you want me to show you how to send crypto from Uphold to Coinbase or vice versa, or to your MetaMask or something like that? Let me know in the comments down below. If you want an Uphold account, use my link down below. You don't have to, but it would support the channel. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, stay safe, stay active, stay healthy. God bless. Peace. And you can sell universal gold, silver, palladium,